Hey, welcome to this short tutorial on how to use DelightChat to create new WhatsApp message templates. Open the DelightChat dashboard and click on this icon on the left and then go to the message templates page and finally click on create message template. It's fairly easy to create a message template. Uh, Let me make one for the purpose of this video. What we've done is we've tried to make it extremely straightforward, like a simple form to fill as you're filling up a message template. You are asked to fill a template category. Typically try to align the category of the template with the intention that you have. For example, if you're sending out a promotional message, maybe an alert update is the right approach. And maybe if you're sending an abandoned cart message, maybe payment update is the right category. We have seen that picking the right category does help with getting the template approved, but we've also noticed that other times that it didn't matter much. However, just try to align the template with the closest match to what you plan to write. So since I'm writing a promotional template here, I'm going to go ahead with alert update, and then we just select your language. Now you have three sections in a message template. You have your header, you have your message body, which is the main text, and you finally have buttons at the end. Let's go one by one. The header is used if you want to attach an image, video, or even a document like a PDF with your WhatsApp template message. Let's select image in this case. And obviously the message body is the main text. So let's write one. Let's try to write a message body for a specific use case, maybe abandoned checkout. So let's do that. These are templates that DelightChat is providing by default. So for every new account, these templates get placed by default. But for the purpose of this example, let me show you what this template is. This template reads as hi 1. Looks like you didn't complete your shopping with 2. We have saved the items in your cart. Complete your purchase now and get a dash discount using dash coupon code. Now, the way to think about the template that you're creating is, first of all, WhatsApp accepts variables in this format, curly bracket followed by a number, and the numbers have to be in order. So the next variable has to be 3, 4, 5, and so on. If you were to add the variables like this using our tool, it'll keep adding the right count. In this case, I just copy pasted it from somewhere else, so that's why it looks like this. If you want to know what are these variables that are actually available in each automation, you can go to the automation itself from here. Let me just open up and show you. Say I want to check what are the variables available for abandoned cart. I can just go to the abandoned cart automation and check. These are all the variables that are available. So there's an abandoned cart URL variable, there's an order total, there are line items in cart, customer first name, last name. These are all the variables that you can use. You can also see a list of variables by just opening this help article. And here we have given out a list of the variables that are available under each automation. So now that you know what variables are available for each template, you can then plan and write a message body. So in this case, since I want to write hi customer name, I've placed a variable here. Looks like you didn't complete your shopping with 2. In the case of 2, it's my brand name. So maybe I could just directly write the brand name in the template. And I want to give a discount code that is dynamically generated. And finally, the last piece is I need a way to give the customer a link to the abandoned cart message. So I'm going to use a call to action. And I'm going to say visit website, which is basically an external link. And I'll say complete purchase. The link for a call to action button or the image itself or the video itself in the header, these are configured at the time when you create the campaign. So in the abandoned cart automation, for example, this one, suppose I pick a template which has an image. Let me pick one. This is a template with an image. While setting up the automation or broadcast, that's when it'll ask me to upload the image. And similarly, that's where it'll ask me what should be the URL. In this case, for abandoned cart, the URL is already fixed as abandoned cart URL. But suppose I were creating a broadcast and say I selected the same template that I just showed you. or any other template. Then it will ask me to set the URL for this button here. So this could be a promotional message where you're promoting a specific collection of your website. In that case, this URL will go here and not at the time of creating the message template. And finally, you click on apply for message template, and once the template is approved, it will show up in your automations and broadcasts under the select message template list, and you can just use the template for any of your campaigns. So that's how you create a new message template with DelightChat. Uh, Once you get familiar with the interface and once you know all the variables that are available, it becomes very easy to start writing new message templates, which is why I urge you to look at the list of variables so that you know what all you can play with. And we are continuously adding new variables, so feel free to send us a request through customer support. Thank you.